What's the meaning of bottleneck? Bottleneck. Bottleneck.
Bottleneck. Bottleneck. In general, a bottleneck refers to a point in a system where the flow of data or resources is limited, leading to a slowdown or inefficiency in the overall performance of the system. In simpler terms, it's like trying to pour a gallon of water through a narrow funnel. The flow is restricted, causing the water to back up and slow down. This can happen in various systems, such as computer networks or supply chains, and can have a significant impact on productivity and profitability. Addressing bottlenecks often involves finding ways to remove the limiting factor or optimize the system to improve throughput and performance.